Episode 1: Introduction to Finding God in Creation. Lent is a season of deep reflection and transformation. It's a time to journey inward and outward, seeking God in the stillness of our hearts and in the world around us. Through fasting, prayer, and almsgiving, we are called to embrace renewal and spiritual growth. But what if the key to this growth lies not just in our inner reflection, but in the very world God created? The connection between creation and spiritual growth. Lent is a period of renewal, focusing on the idea that creation itself is an invitation to encounter God. During Lent, the Church calls us to prayer and penance, but also to open our eyes to God's presence in the world around us. Nature is not only a backdrop to our lives, it is a means by which God reveals Himself. Every tree, every mountain, every stream, all of creation speaks of the glory and the goodness of God. Through this series, we'll discover how finding God in the wonders of creation can deepen our Lenten journey. The Creator's fingerprints are on every leaf, every breeze, and every sunset. The more we tune into creation, the more we come to understand God's love for us. Scripture reflection. The heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of His hands. This verse ties into the idea that creation itself is a revelation of God's greatness and beauty. As we begin our Lenten journey, let us remember that God is not far from us. He is in the air we breathe, the food we eat, the land we walk upon. Through these next 40 days, let us find God not only in prayer and fasting, but in the everyday beauty